tray table, it must be back over your nose and your mouth at all times.
So we just arrived in Chicago. Later on we're going to take a little train ride, but it's our first family vacation in a year and a half, and here we go. So we're here in Chicago's Union Station. This is the Metropolitan Lounge, which is the nicer lounge where all of the ticketed passengers that have bedrooms and roomettes get to hang out before the train leaves. We're taking the California Zephyr all the way here from Chicago to Emeryville, California. And we're going to be spending 2 nights on the train, and I think a total of 50 hours, so it'll be fun. We're on the train. Looks like this is a super liner, and this is a roomette. It's still drizzling outside in Chicago. There's a little menu here that says it's the flexible dining menu. We're supposed to have, I think, the traditional dining here, but so hopefully this is a mistake. Hopefully we get to enjoy the traditional dining. We'll see. It's a pretty small space, but much bigger than an airline seat. And I'll show you more once we get going. So we just had our first fresh air break in Gainesville, Illinois. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right, I think. I remember something.
And our attendant said it would be about 10 minutes. It ended up being about 3 minutes. And Annie decided it was a good idea to go into the station. And then the guy yelled, "All aboard!" And she almost got left behind. I had to like run after her.
Well, I heard the all aboard and I was like, holy crap.
You can't go wandering around. You can't leave. You have to be at the platform. It's just stepping outside.
Okay, now I know.
Otherwise, you might get left behind.
Yeah, now I know for sure.
And the guy said they've actually left people behind before, right?
Yeah, that's what Carl said.
Yeah, lesson learned.
So we're at our first meal here. It's dinner. And we're in the dining car right now, which is really cool.
Yeah, the traditional dining just came back.
Yep, this is traditional dining, which is awesome. Let me show you. So we have
You don't need to show up your fork.
actual silverware
Uh-huh.
and like roses and a white tablecloth. And we got the 3 different appetizers, which is a green chili cheese tamale and a lobster crab cake, which looks amazing. And I got the salad. They didn't get the tomatoes and carrots, so it's just sort of like pretty plain salad. And I'll show you the next course. It's a 3-course meal. I'll show you the next course when we get there. So for the main course, we got, what did you get, Caitlin?
Oh, I got the tortellini with pesto cream sauce.
What did you get, Annie?
I got the chicken with the mushroom risotto, and it's supposed to have a morel mushroom sauce, and then accompanied paired with a rosé.
Yep. And I got flat iron steak with cheesy polenta and green beans and a pot of, I have no idea what that is, but we'll find out.
Does it taste good? That's what matters.
And there's a really nice
View.
of the sunset going on right now.
Uh-huh. Our trip is during the middle of the summer, and we have a 7:15 reservation, so perfect time for the sunset.
So what do you got?
I have the chocolate torte, and it looks good.
Those look good.
Mm-hmm.
So they brought us our dessert already. I have cheesecake with strawberry drizzle.
Carrot cake. That's a really pretty carrot cake. And look at, they have little petals on it. Edible flowers. That's a really nice touch.
So our beds are made up for tonight's siesta. The 2 chairs kind of fold down together, and then there's a mattress that you put in the middle. And the top level folds down as well. It's got this kind of harness thing so you don't fall off. Good morning. So it's 5:30 a.m. I wasn't gonna wake up this early, but I woke up, looked out my window, and saw something pretty awesome. So I got my coffee the steward had prepared, Making my way to the observation car. Which is empty right now. So we're at Denver Union Station. This is a slightly longer stop and a bigger major station for Amtrak. There's a lot of people getting on and getting off. We get a little chance to stretch our legs here. Say good morning. All right, we're in Denver. It's breakfast day 2. What do you have, Kaylin?
Okay, I have the egg omelet. They didn't have any of the vegetables because I think some of their extra stuff accidentally slipped away. But they do have all the cheeses, so I added all the cheeses to mine.
Nice. What do you have?
I'm having a scrambled egg with cheese, crispy bacon, potatoes, and that croissant, plus train coffee.
And I have a delicious looking French toast, also with bacon, and a few tiny berries.
Does it make you want to go rolling in the hills? Sing like sound of music and twirl?
Is this what Sound of Music was called? I'm almost sure.
Yeah, this is like the good life.
What's in that dead tree? There's 2 in that dead tree. Alright, it's lunchtime. I have a very delicious looking burger with a side of Terra chips and coleslaw. Kaylin, what do you have?
Oh, I have the fancy grilled cheese. I forget what it's called. Artisan, yes.
Fancy.
Yeah, fancy. Good enough description.
What makes it fancy?
Well, it has a bunch of other stuff in it. I'm pretty sure it has some meat, some bacon, along with the cheese. I guess that's what makes it fancy.
Okay, Annie.
I have the vegan chili. It looks good.
With the blob of sour cream on top.
Got your stuff?
Oh, I see. You got a thing that, like you can pan and all of that.
Yeah, and it keeps
Pan and still.
keeps it straight if I go like that.
Trip out on that. That's hot.
Are we leaving?
We're about to go soon. You got time to walk. They said 10 after.
is Grand
Hello.
Junction, Colorado.
Uh-huh.
We have a pit stop. We have some cool posters here.
Mm-hmm. And we just came back from a little store. We bought some ice cream and snacks.
Yep.
You need help out there with that wheelchair coming out, Mark?
And it's like 100 degrees outside, 102. When you're stopped in Grand Junction and it's 102 out, you get some ice cream. Morning. It's day 2 or day 3. And it's 5:22 a.m. Coffee is not ready yet. Maybe in the next car. So we're on the bottom level. This is the top level of this Superliner, I think it's called. Gonna head over to the observation car. Coffee's not ready yet. So this is another sleeper car in between us and dining car. This is the dining car. Morning.